Do you want to get it now how to create Gemini Pro 1 year account? So this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create Gemini Pro 1 year account. Okay, you can see. First of all, we need to set up our email. We need to uh, add two-factor authentication. We need to on two-step verification, and we need to add recovery email, and we need to add our phone number. Okay. After doing this, we need to do bot verification. Okay, so you can see there I'm doing bot verification for 1 year account. Okay, basically this is Google Pixel. This account is valid for Google Pixel devices, so we are doing verification using bot. You can see there. Okay, so we need to provide the details like Gmail address, like password, and like TOTP secret key, which is Google Authenticator key. Okay, so these informations are required, and you must have to add two-step verification Google Authenticator. You must have to on Google Authenticator. You must have a key for this verification, right? And after that, we need to first of all enter our Gmail address. Here you can see I have need other AI tools like Supergroup, like CapCut, and if you need Adobe Creative Cloud, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, right? All these tools we have available at low prices. And if you need ChatGPT Plus, you can also contact me on my WhatsApp. It will take some time by completing this verification process. So we need to wait. Okay. You can see there I have on my two-step verification. I have added a recovery email address and phone number also in my that email address. This is must. This is important if you want to get verified by using the process. And I can say that if you want to do it yourself, it's okay. But if you can feel this is difficult, so you can contact us. We have ready accounts also. We can set up 1 year account on your Gmail. You need to provide us your Gmail address and password. We will guide you what steps you need to do, and after that we will set up 1 year account on your Gmail address in minimal prices. Okay, you can see verification is in process. I have got pop-up on my mobile phone and I approved that login. Okay, so after that the verification process has been started. Now it will take some time to get verified, and after that we can add our payments method and details, address details to get verified, and finally we will get 1 year Gemini Pro. If you need Gemini Pro 4 months, if you need Gemini Pro 1 year, if you need Gemini Pro 18 months, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay, if you need the verification, if you need this bot link which I'm using for verification, you can join me on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel, so you will find this link on there. Okay, and stay tuned with my Telegram, with my WhatsApp community. So I will update more valuable things there in future. regarding technologies, regarding trading, about crypto and forex. Basically, my profession is about forex and crypto. I have more interest in that, so I will share updates about that. Soon I will start my some community about trading. We will cover more valuable content and information about trading. If you are interested about that, so you must have to join my WhatsApp community and Telegram community. Thank you. I will just provide that link in my WhatsApp in my this video comment. Okay, you can check the comment of this video, the pin comment of this video, so you can join it from there. First, you need to join my Telegram, and then you can join my WhatsApp community. That is a must. If you need more tricks how to get free trials of, basically this is not free. Okay, we need credits, we need to purchase some credits about, and we need to set up Gmails. That is paid, not free. Okay, but if you want to get trials of many other platforms, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp and Telegram. The verification step is in progress. Okay, so what's the benefit of this Gemini Pro? The important is that we will get 2 terabyte storage. Okay, and after that we will get 1000 credit per month for View Ultra. We can generate videos, we can generate content using that credits, and also we will get Notebook LM. That is best for study, best for students. They can save their time by using Notebook LM. That is very helpful for students. And also we will get more features. You can see there the verification has been successful, and it finally it has been done. Now we have got the link of payment for add payment method to get subscribe this 1 year plan of Gemini Pro. We need to copy the link and go to another tab and paste it there. Okay, on the left side I have blurred something that is important information, so that's why I have blurred. You can see there is the offer has been appeared, and now we can start our trial by clicking on that. And after that we need to add payment method. Okay, I have added the payment method, and I have need to approve it from my mobile. And after that we will able to see our payment method has been successfully added. Yeah, it's has been added successfully. We need to copy that link and go to another tab, go to plus tab and open a new tab basically. So you can see there we have got this offer. There is some little bit error, no problem. It will be resolved. I have refreshed that page again. You can see there I have already added the payment method. Now I have click on trial, and after that, just for confirmation, to click on subscribe button. This offer will, you can see there is the time of 28 March 2027. This is the expiration of this. This is for 1 year, and you can see this has been done and has been subscribed successfully. Google AI and 2 terabyte of storage with Google AI Pro. You can see there. So this is the magical things. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and wait for more valuable content I will cover in future. Now you can see there, this is my email which I have received about the plan which has been activated till March 28, 2027. And you can see this is welcome page of AI Pro offer. and I activated this on my Gmail. You can see also there is subscription, active subscription, Google One, 2 terabyte, this one. Now, these Gemini features we have got, Gemini Pro features, capable access to capable AI models and high quality videos with View 3.1, Gemini and Gmail and Docs, and more features we have got. That's amazing. And you can see there is a Pro icon with my mail with my account of Gemini. And you can see there, now we can use it for research for more content like that. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.